In many videos I talk about Zanzibar propagation, which you can watch them. But today we want to divulge some tricks that lead to your Zanzibar bloom as soon as possible. Hi, my name is Fatima from Golbarg.greenhouse. We share educational videos about indoor plants every week. If you like, you can subscribe us. Zanzibar should be grown at high day. Researchers have resulted recently with Zanzibar like light. So it's suggested that Zanzibar leaf cuttings put in front of indirect bright light, no direct light. 16 hours photo period is perfect for your ZZ leaf cuttings. So first trick is, if you want to obtain rhizome soon, cut leaf and stem as cutting in summer and spring. It's better provide 24 to 32 centigrade temperature for cuttings. Second trick is the temperature should not change more than 5 degrees during the day. Zanzibar gem doesn't like very high humidity and low humidity. Provide medium humidity for your cuttings. Maybe you have seen covered cuttings in other indoor plants by plastic. Third trick is don't cover ZZ plant cuttings by plastic. This plant doesn't like soil moisture, so allow the soil to dry, then start to water. Attention, the pots have 3 to 5 holes in order to access water. Soil of cuttings have to be light and shouldn't be sticky. We suggest you to use mixture of coco peat and perlite or just perlite. It's suggested to mix soil in the other indoor plants cuttings, but this is an exception in ZZ plant. There are microscopic fungi that can destroy all cuttings. In order to prevent the fungal disease, first watering should be accompanied by fungicide, which you can find it in agriculture shop. You use fungicide according to suggested instruction. Use fungicide 2 weeks later again. Before making rhizome, don't need to fertilize because there is no root to absorb nutrients. But after making rhizome about 1 month, start to fertilize, but low concentration, about 1.5 in 1000 cc or milliliters. It means if your fertilizer is liquid, you mix 1.5 cc or milliliter fertilizer with 1000 cc or milliliter or 1 liter water. If your fertilizer is solid, you mix 1.5 gram fertilizer with 1000 cc or milliliter or 1 liter water. As the origin of Zizi is forest in Eastern Africa, which is a dry area, so it is compatible with dry environment. Most important tip that you should know is when you see the leaf cuttings become dry, don't disappoint. They become yellow because the leaves give all power to rhizome in order to bloom. Don't disappoint and water cutting pot. You see shoot is blooming soon. In the best condition, the new shoot is blooming after 6 months. If one environmental factor like temperature, light, humidity is not provided, Zizi leaf cuttings start to bloom later, maybe even 1 year, but eventually they will bloom.